All right, what do you want on this bag of stuff? How's it going? What is all this stuff, dude? It's Master Shredder.
Where's Master Shredder?
What is that?
That's a chicken.
Here, put that down. We can pick 4 more things.
What is that? What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
I don't know. Did you see it? Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Look at me in these. Look at me in these.
Whoa, those are binoculars.
Dad, you're so far away. I can't even see you. No, I can hide here. You're like a tiny ant. Mom, you're so far away from me. You're so
Oh,
far
look at
away.
that, Casey.
No, you can do it this way.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
or
Look,
this
Captain
way.
Planet.
That's the way to do it.
And this is the way to look close, and this is the way to look not close. Whoa! And I'm trying to look at the sky, but I can't. Everything's just too far away. Yeah.
Coming in.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
M&M.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, can you make a little pond?
Yeah, I might need a bag.
Yeah, here, we can go through. Thank you, I appreciate it. Using the turtles on the table.
Oh, cool. Squidward.
On what?
That looks cool. Yeah. It's from a movie. Yeah. Bobby's World.
Who's this guy? He looks familiar.
It's from...
Oh, he's like a little puppet. Dragon Tales?
I think so. Oh,
He's
toss
a
him in there.
puppet. I'm like, he's a puppet. He's cool.
Cookie Monster. You gotta check any of the perfumes and stuff. Lefties have rights too. Are you gonna get that, bud?
Yep.
Put it in the bag.
I caught the alien eyes.
You did.
No Norman Rockwell figures.
No.
No.
Avon.
There was so much stuff.
Nothing.
I
Empire.
couldn't. I was
So
like,
it's
oh man, I wish.
1995 Empire.
I was like, oh, Hustlin' Hooks just bought a whole bunch of horses. By itself, it's
Okay.
much. It's a pretty thing.
Yeah, I was just trying to find the calculator.
And the Ninja Turtles. Oh, I don't know.
All right, what do you want on this bag of stuff?
What do you have here?
Calculator.
I like 5 for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
5. These,
For, I think $1 each.
they were on the table, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then we got a
7.
bunch
You did the 5.
of the smalls, yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 13. That's $1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 50. Just make it even 12. All
Okay.
of it?
That'll work.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the little toys, so.
Oh yeah, we have more of them. There's boxes and boxes of them. Trying to help my grandma sell some stuff. She's
Gotcha.
sick, so.
Alright. Thank you.
All right.
And here, extra
Thank
bag for you.
All right, appreciate it.
Hey, we are back in the eBay shed, and Mrs. Flips is back there packing up some orders. But want to show you what we got at this incredible yard sale that was mostly toys. Paid $12 for all of this stuff. Whether you could see all of them, I want to show you some of the best finds and some of my favorite finds. But I'll go ahead and tell you, paying $12 for all this, we already sold the calculator we found there for what, $40? 50. So we're all the way in the profit. But most of these that you're going to see on the table are going to go for about $10 free shipping. You know, these are some of my favorites, but some other ones that are going to bring in some extra money. So let me show you what we found that day. Okay, so just to cover with you a couple of the fun ones. This was the Infaceables. Doesn't go for a ton, but I think a good, you know, I haven't seen one like this. Seemed to be pretty rare. There were only probably about 11 listed. Might do, like I said, $10 free shipping on a lot of these. This is a 1998 Bandai Blue Ranger. We have Skateboarding Raphael. We have a complete hardhead 88 Bebop. This one's missing an arm, but it is the soft head. This one might go a little bit lower than $10, but not too bad. Mr. Bill Goldberg here. He is, get it to focus there, maybe, almost saw it, I'll just look at it. 1999 WCW. Like I said, $10 free shipping will get a lot of these moving. This Pinky and the Brain, I sold my other Pinky and the Brain figures. This may just go on the shelf up there. Oh, I'm knocking stuff over, but maybe for sale a little later. But if you see Pinky and the Brain stuff, it does do really well. Another one that's just going to be a fun listing, Eureka's Castle hand puppet, 1990. This was at a restaurant, right?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. I remember they did the Land Before Time ones and all kinds of stuff. Check out the little dragon fly. I remember they had the princess fairies for the girls, and the boys got these little dragonfly warriors. We're going to talk about that big guy in a second, but we have another original Michelangelo. Pretty cool. There's his little M. None of them had the extra figures. Like, here's Casey Jones with a second Casey Jones. No extra pieces. A Shredder with another Shredder. No extra pieces, but like I said, if you're going down the list here and you're, you know, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I mean, just right here, we're looking at another, you know, $100. This guy, I may, because I've seen him, I may buy the tail that attaches. He's missing the tail, but he does have one weapon. This was from like the second series. I found his date on here somewhere, right there, 1990. With the tail, he'll go for some pretty good money. We have the pizza shooting Donatello. That thing was pretty cool. Not worth a lot, but it was just cool. And it has the pizzas in there as well, which was a cool little feature. Next pretty good sale, I think potential right here. I'll put the comp up. Last one sold for $20 plus shipping. This is a 1994 WCW Vampiro. Full like rubber figure, but there are none listed. There's one listed with another one, and they're asking $110. So I think that one should still bring in at least $20. But that calculator was worth the most at $50. But this guy just sold July 31st with a couple bids on it for $41 plus shipping. This is Cyclops from Lost in Space. I believe it on the tag 1998. If it'll focus there, 1998. It came with a big boulder. There's some listed with the box for like $100 brand new. This one should still at least bring in another 40. So a $12 investment to bring in, you know, well over, I'm thinking $200. And I get to play with all these 80s and 90s toys. I mean, not play with. We're just gonna make sure they're doing good. Had a few duds in there, but these might go together in one big lot. You know, you got the balancing Leonardo, a Street Fighter, some Garbage Pail, old 1984 Fisher-Price toy, Care Bear. So a few duds, but if you saw in the video, I was just grabbing all these. They were 5 for $1, and then she gave us an even better deal. So just wanted to bring you another quick video on stuff that you can go out there, find, and flip. $12. All this stuff fit into like a little grocery bag. Didn't take up a lot of space, and will make, I think, well over $200 on this first little yard sale that we have. We got some more videos coming through the pipeline. We've gotten some great yard sale footage, some great estate sale footage, so stay tuned to the channel. Getting back on the grind, getting more of these videos out to you, but hey, we just want to make sure you go out there and have a great day. Go find some great stuff. Hopefully this was informative for you. Go out there and make the world a better place with a sale and a smile, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye.